If you're currently going through the same problem that I'm going through right now, which is having your USB flash drive pathed into 2, and you're trying to fix this up, maybe probably trying to format this and it's not working, I have a solution for you. So what you want to do is right click on your Windows button here, go to disk management, click on disk management, and you have to pick your flash drive. Please be sure which one is your flash drive so you don't end up formatting your main drive. So right now, this is my flash drive, right? Because I can see that from the size 57 is my flash drive. So that is my flash drive. And this is this drive here. So I can fix this up by right clicking here, and see, even when I try to format this, let's try to format and see, still not working. I can just delete the volume, right? So this is what you need to do. Delete volume, and it should delete the volume, right? So the volume is this. So it's going to take that out. Just right click on it and say delete. So you can see immediately I clicked on delete, it took that out. So that is all you need to do. And right now I have my flash drive showing just one, and you can send whatever you want to do and work with this, and it's going to work. Please, if this helps you, please leave a comment so that others can get the video and also help themselves. And also please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.